I bought this amazing 10-drawer storage cart to organize my son's art area in our kitchen, and I wish I had done this sooner. Before this, everything was just kind of everywhere. Markers, crayons, paper, paint. It was total chaos, and it stressed me out every single day. But after putting this together and organizing everything into the drawers, it completely transformed the space. Assembly took about 45 minutes, and it was very straightforward. The instructions were clear, and all the pieces were included except for a screwdriver, and it wasn't very hard to put together. The quality feels really nice and sturdy, the drawers slide smoothly, and I love the color with my decor. What I love most are the large clear drawers. My son can see everything that's inside, which makes it so much easier for him to find what he needs. And honestly, he's been cleaning up on his own because now everything has a home. He was so excited to put all of his supplies in the drawers. And I also see him using everything more now that he can find what he's looking for. The wheels on the cart roll smoothly so I can move it around if I need to, and the top is great for more storage space or for keeping current supplies handy. This would also be perfect for makeup, bathroom storage, office supplies, toys, craft rooms. There are so many uses beyond just kids' art. I absolutely love how organized our space feels now. This piece is functional, it's great quality, and it's made a big difference in our daily routine. I would definitely recommend this for so many different uses.